The Rastafarian communities on St. Kitts and Nevis now have the legal support protecting their rights to their beliefs and practices with the use of cannabis as a religious sacrament. The successful passage of the Rastafarian Rights Recognition Bill 2023 into law also provides the basis upon which Rastafarian groups could be registered and have the ability to purchase and acquire land and property, cultivate cannabis, and be full participants in the proposed cannabis industry. Speaking in the National Assembly of St. Kitts and Nevis, Dr. Jeffrey Hanley, in his capacity as Minister with responsibility for ecclesiastical and faith-based affairs, introduced the second reading and led off the discussion on the bill in the 20th June sitting of the Parliament. Several ministers and opposition MPs stood in support of the bill.
Rastafarians, brothers and sisters, by including them in an existing process of registration and the benefits to be gained from the same, while ensuring that the protection of the youngest among us in the delicate balance of religious freedom.
Madam Speaker, that's 20 reparative justice requests from the ORU. And do not be fooled. This government did that. Because when we came, the Cannabis Act was not in force. We brought it into force. We are the ones bringing these acts. So we are the ones fulfilling our duty to our Constitution and the court. Madam Speaker, and all that because we want the Rastafari community to be the first persons to benefit from our medicinal cannabis industry and our cannabis tourism industries that will be launched in full this year.
I wish to say that this bill, the Rastafarian Rights and Recognition Bill 2023, is a significant step forward in recognizing the rights of Rastafarians and providing a legal framework for the use of cannabis. It is also an opportunity for us to uphold the principles of religious freedom, promote economic development, and fulfill our international obligations.
I want to say how proud I am to stand here on the opposition side, lending support to a bill that was brought by the government side. And I've said before, and I repeat again, that anything that is for the benefit of any group, anyone, beneficial to the entire federation, I am willing to support to ensure that we are moving in the right direction. I believe the Rastafari group have come a long way in the right direction. Certain things will come a long way in the wrong direction. This have been a group that have been persevering and pressing on. So they've come a long way in the right direction, and I want to commend them. And my support is there in its fullest capacity today in supporting this bill before this honorable house.
It's a suite of things that we are doing to make sure that where we did not have it right, that we get it right. And we do it with humility, and we do it with respect, no malice at all, but really in an effort to bring us closer together as a people. And what has gone, we should be, I would say, mature enough to recognize that wrongs were done. And we have the opportunity to correct some of those wrongs. And today, Madam Speaker, I would like to apologize to the Rastafarian community. This took too long to come.
MPs speaking on the Rastafarian Rights Recognition Bill 2023 that was passed in the National Assembly of St. Kitts and Nevis. Glenn Bart reporting for SKN Newsline.